really well.
It's another puppy. Tiffany calls these police dogs.
Yeah, he's a little German Shepherd puppy.
Oh,
German Shepherd is so cute. I never see puppy.
look at his big paws, Tiff.
Oh, yeah.
He's only 12 weeks. So.
Aww.
Want to give him another cookie?
Hi, sweetie.
There you go.
Say thank you. Oh, look.
Put it in his face.
There you go.
There you go. Thank you. Tiffany, you're a good dog trainer.
Oh, what's his name?
Oli.
Oli.
Oli. Oh.
Hi, Oli.
He's from Wisconsin. That's kind of a Wisconsin nickname.
So sweet. Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
He's real in a package. No, it's not homemade.
Who's in my house?
It's definitely not homemade.
Hi, guys. Look like Kermit the Frog. How you guys doing? So what are you showing me?
My room.
What are you doing tonight?
I'm going back to choir. So.
Let's see. Oh, all our stuff is...
Shoes, shirt, pants, tie.
What are you tonight? What are you going to be?
Associate.
For a play? Are you excited?
When is my play?
Sunday.
So how many days? Still 7?
3.
Not ready.
Everybody, what are you doing?
Chavez, speak. What? Okay, Chavez, sit. No, sit. Down. Good boy. Good boy, Chavez. Good. Stay. Okay, go get it. Good boy, Chavez. Is that cool? Good boy.
Yeah, I can do it. Back and forth.
Here, get the
back
bang
and
one. That
forth.
was really cute. Oh, it's still...
You do the bang one?
It's filming. You see it's red?
Chavez. Bang.
Oh,
Good
got
boy.
shy. Cup of Yo frozen yogurt in Point Loma. Getting ready to have a free, it's a grand opening, having a free yogurt. Cannot wait to have it. It's kind of like Yogurt Land, only a little different.
Or best little yogurt shop in Scottsdale.
From like 25 years ago.
Shawn's family owned a yogurt shop, and so that's what Shawn did in college, right?
Yep.
When you were in college?
So we'll let you know how. He's got a beautiful tie on and a nice outfit. Tell us where you're going tonight.
Just practice. I'm going to the play, but just practice.
It's practice?
Yeah, it's practice, and I'm going to go in a couple minutes.
When's the play?
6 days.
Sunday. And what do you sing? Are you singing songs?
Yeah, we're singing a lot of God songs.
Can you give us a sample of one of the songs? Like what's one part?
The Poor Rich Man, and it's...
How's the Poor Rich Man go?
The poor rich man building castles in the sand.
Oh, there's hand movements too?
Yeah.
Let me see. Oh, cool.
It's a sand, castles in the sand.
Sand castles in the sand?
Yeah.
And you have a tie. Why are you wearing a tie?
Because I'm associate.
Oh, and that's what they wear?
And then they have like little blue shirts.
Okay.
At the church, it's at the church, so you can just wear like this, but then they put the blue shirt over you, and then you can still wear your tie.
So they have a...
And it's like this color, but it doesn't have those wings on. It's just like this color.
So Poor Rich Man, what's another song?
I don't know.
Forgot him.
You can come and watch me though.
I will.
But like today, you can even in the practice you can watch me.
Okay, and I'll film some of it and put it on Burke.
Yeah.
I love you.
You can sit in the front.
All right, I'll sit right in front.
Okay.
Bye. Tiffany just got back from her recital practice. She has the beautiful tie on with the shirt.
And you got to bring it home today.
You have to bring the shirt home today. The actual performance, though, is on Sunday. And the shirt says, The Secret to My Success 2010 Point Loma Nazarene Children's Choir. And you practiced tonight. So how'd it go?
Good.
Tell us about it.
It was fun because Mom had to move. There's like for Miss Moore box. There's like a little desk in the chair. We got to move that out.
She is so good, Daddy. She's one of the best ones.
You're one of the best ones?
She's super cute. She knows all of her lines.
I'm so proud of you, and I can't wait to see the performance. And what are you again? I keep forgetting.
Associate.
An associate. Okay. All right, thank you. I can't wait to see it on Sunday.
We need some thingies to fix this.
Oh.
Because look how good this one is.
Here, Ma. We're going to scare him right now.
I'm going to have my face down like this so they don't see me.
Hey.
What the heck? Mom!
We're going to surprise Connor.
Connor, come in here! Connor, come here!
She said yes, and you guys like. Oh my gosh, Mom! Hey, Grandma, how are you? Your hair is awfully red.
Okay, we're going to...
Hey, Chris.
What's up, guys?
It's Ma. You know Ma?
Yes.
Okay.
Hi, sweetie.
I'm officially. Wait,
How you doing?
This is Maria.
Hi, Maria. What's up, my man?
Put the camera. I am officially in a relationship today.
You are? With who?
Tiffany? She
Her name's Daniela.
Where's she at?
Tiffany. She
I
knows
don't know.
Give a shout out.
Where's
Say, hey, girl.
Hey,
Nah, I can't say that.
Say, hey, girl.
Hey, girl.
Okay, Renee. Come here.
Wow, I just.
No.
How are you?
Baby?
No, please, wait, Connor, please. I need order Papa John's pizza or something. No, I'm gonna make something. No, you don't have any good food here. Sorry. Just go. No, we don't want food here.
Go. After school chaos. Oh, jeez.
I'm gonna go with Reese.
Jeez.
Go, man.
Where are you guys going?
See me, I was so nervous when I said it.
You asked her out?
I ran around the whole school looking for it.
Pretend like I'm her, okay?
No!
What's her name?
Daniela.
Danielle. Okay, I'm Daniela. Go ahead. Ask me out.
No!
Pretend like I'm Daniela.
Stop!
Just tell me what you said. Tell me what you said.
Well, I went up to give her a hug, and she was smiling, like she's pinched my cheeks like she always does.
Okay.
And I was like, oh, I really like you a lot, and I've been dying to ask you this, and I asked her out, and she said yes.
All right, so let's pretend. Ready? Give me a hug. Man hug.
Let's go.
Okay. Now say it. Say it just like you said it.
What? No!
Look, I'm smiling.
Stop!
I'm smiling like that.
Harassment!
Go, run.
Reese! What?
So if you want a copy of God's Word, hit us up.
We'll send you in for free.